The nation's pride!
You love her, I heard that. You love her. I'm making stuff up now. Okay,
Leave him alone! Everybody stand up! Everybody stand up! Everybody wake up! It's ITZY Day! Everybody wake up! It's ITZY Day! Let's go! Let's go!
Hey yo, my name's Susan. Your name?
My name is Sunghoon.
And your name?
My name Jay.
And welcome to day 3.
Welcome to day 3, everyone.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. It is now day 3 of KCON. For the first time in modern KCON history, it is raining here.
It's raining and it's hot.
Very. It feels like Hawaii, but without any relaxation.
The stress levels are high. Anxiety is peaking. No one knows what we're doing.
Right now,
It is 9:09.
9:09.
We got here like what?
8:30?
8:30. We were outside under the overpass.
Yeah, thankfully they didn't make us wait in the rain, so that's a good thing. Good. But I think our line, how it was before, is a line if you had like a meet and greet, like the first thing of the day, there was like a separate line from the convention line. But I think we were redirected at least like 4 times.
Yes.
Saying that like, hey, if you're meet and greet, go to this separate line here.
Yeah.
Oh no, if you're meet and greet, just merge with the convention line.
Yeah.
And they kept just like bouncing us back and forth and back and forth. None of us knew what exactly to do because everything just seemed so redundant.
Finally, we just decided whatever the last line we're in, stay there.
Yep.
Because the objective is just to get inside.
Yep.
That's what we did. We ended up just finding the last line. One of the staff people said to stand in. We got in. Thankfully, someone inside directed us where to go, waiting to get our bags checked and whatnot. So, yep.
We still have plenty of time.
Lots of time.
I'm just glad that we're inside.
Yeah.
Right now we're in the South Hall of the LA Convention Center. This place wasn't initially open to the convention beforehand because of the whole tropical storm situation that's happening in SoCal right now. KCON was able to open up the South Hall where KCON was for the past 2-ish years. Because you can see right up there, over there up in Hall H, that's where the first entrance for the convention in 2022. And on top of that, Idol's meet and greet is still in the same place where NMIX's, IVE's, and Kepler's was, right?
Yes.
However, because of all the shifting, everyone else's high touches are in what's called Hall K, which I believe is all the way in that direction over there. So it is going to be quite the walk to get straight from Idol's over to ITZY's because they're back to back with each other, but they're on opposite sides of the convention halls.
The announcement that was made, like the venue changes and adjustments, were literally made like an hour or so ago. They said like, hey, we're moving everybody except for Idol to Hall K.
Yep.
So you guys have to adjust accordingly. I think a helpful tip would be just to keep checking KCON's social medias frequently because that's their main source of communication regardless. Hurricanes like this don't happen in SoCal, so it's just like hopefully everything goes smoothly.
Yeah, like you said, these types of things never ever happen. I've never been to a KCON before where the weather was this gloomy before. The footage doesn't really do it justice. Everywhere is just that much more dangerous, and we're expecting the rain to pick up a little bit more and the wind to pick up a little bit more. Everyone, you're seeing this in the future, but just please continue to stay safe. Everyone coming to KCON right now, make good decisions, drive safe, be safe all around.
Yeah, you'll get here when you'll get here.
You will see your idols one way or another.
Yeah.
And everyone, we do want to apologize for our voices. We did kind of lose our minds for XG last night.
That was insane. Like,
Yeah.
the moment that XG opened the show, literally I used up all of my energy and what was left of my voice to scream for Jiren.
Yeah.
And ever since then, like, it was gone.
Yeah,
I think
like-
you'll hear in the outro video of day 2, you could just hear squeaking. Because, like, I didn't want to lose my voice because my alts are ITZY and Stray Kids, and I had to literally preserve my voice as much as I can, so sacrifices were made, but it was still a fun night.
Okay, everybody, just a kind reminder, this is part 3 to the KCON vlog. There is a part
3.
1 and a part 2. So make sure you watch part 1 and part 2 first before continuing on with this video. But otherwise, let's get started, everyone. We're here for Idol, baby! Queen card! I'm hot! My boob and booty is hot!
Hi G-Idol, I really love you guys. Thank you for releasing meaningful music. I love you!
So we're gonna play a game of charades. Counter starts now. Okay.
Okay, swimming, dolphin, whale, eating. a burger.
Almost.
Yeah, close.
Mermaid.
Can we have her?
I think it's okay though. They said hamburger, I'm gonna give that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you got it right. That's correct.
A bear? Okay. Texting, laying down.
Yeah. And then.
Laying down and texting in bed.
But something happened. Look, something happened.
What's in her hand? Oh, you dropped your phone on your face.
To the left. Feel like a musical.
Everywhere.
Slice. Thank you.
Slay! Hi, Shuhwa. Hi. Hi, Uki. Hi, Soyeon. Hi, Minnie. Okay, so we just finished up with Idol's high touch.
That was the most efficient high touch we've had so far.
I know. Why did that feel like it went by super quick?
So quick.
Okay, so we're in Hall K right now. We're for ITZY's high touch. Look at this. Is this normal? Did we get to barricade? Are we gonna go to the barricade? Are we gonna do it? Okay, hang on, guys. ITZY. All right, thank you. Okay, so we're now in Hall K. Okay, so new development. We're walking from Hall K back to Concourse Hall. How is this efficient? This is the biggest zigzag we've had all weekend.
Please give it up for ITZY!
Let's introduce ourselves. 2, 3. All in this time, we are ITZY. Hey, girl. Why you beating up the game so much?
Yes!
Thank you for this. My girls, I can't express fully how much I love you and appreciate you. Your music means so much to me, especially as someone who pretended to be someone else for a long time.
Aww.
Thank you and I love you.
Mission to ITZY just now. The mission was to describe ITZY with a word that starts with the first letter of your team name.
So far, we were able to show our own colors and uniqueness. So we're proud of the music and performance that somehow only we can express on stage. And we'll try to continue and show our charms and spread our message to everyone. Oh, using like using.
Play the verse, play the music, please.
Let's go! Yes! Put my sneakers on! I'm doing ready, get set, go!
Yeji. First of all, Kitch and Stricken and Three Kids 선배님. 그리고 ITZY wannabe.
You're getting the words. It's correct, ladies and gentlemen. Yeji, I love you.
Hi, Yeji. Thank you for saving my life. Hi, Leah. Hi, Ryujin. Hi, Chaeryong. Hi, Yuna.
You didn't like my fit.
We did it, man! We did it! We did it! Ayo, what's up? Big shout out to my boy Jonas here for all the good vibes in the line.
Yes. What's up? I'm Jonas. I just met them, but they're like really cool people, so.
Yeah. All right, man. I'll see you around, okay?
I see you around.
See you,
All right. We just finished ITZY's high touch. How are you feeling?
I'm speechless.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm speechless because one, I don't have a voice.
No.
If you want to know how I feel right now, I feel like this.
on a little bit more of a serious note, I think ITZY's High Touch meant more to us than all the other high touches that we did this weekend. Because
1,000%.
ITZY means a lot to the both of us.
There are many reasons why I stand ITZY and how having this high touch with ITZY actually means a lot to me. They are the first girl group that I stand from debut to now. Even before then, I did not really want to stand any girl groups. The reason being is because it's when it comes to like being a stan, being a fan, you want to be like 110%. And I feel like if I stand girl groups, because there's so many girl groups now, it's going to be a challenge.
Kind of like diluting your attention.
Yeah, exactly, from like different groups and whatnot. But with ITZY, they came to KCON the year that they debuted. That was the year that like I had that resurgence of liking K-pop again, and listening to K-pop again. And out of all of the girl groups that performed that day, ITZY was the only girl group that I recorded and I enjoyed their full set. Second reason, this was...
You guys are going to like this story.
Second reason is a little the less serious note. Long story short, I could have met ITZY back in 2019.
You guys remember from the 2019 KCON vlog that we did a while back, I was able to get into the ITZY audience, right? I got another ITZY audience, and I was gonna be like, hey, do you wanna come to the ITZY audience with me? And then you said...
I said, no.
I'm just gonna be in the hallway.
I'm just gonna be in the hallway waiting for you.
Watching Riverdale.
Watching Riverdale. Okay.
I want you to look into my eyes and see that.
Just, I don't know if this is a good justification of that answer, but like, I didn't know ITZY that well at the time. And so it would have been a waste if I were to go and I didn't really know anything about them and whatnot. But now that I actually know them, got to know them, stand them, I feel like I'm more complete. I chose watching Riverdale over meeting ITZY when they first debuted.
And I've been holding that against her ever since, and I was like, this is the year you are going to atone for your sins.
And ever since we got High Touch for ITZY for this year, that's just been the long-term goal. We have to meet ITZY. I got to repent for my sins.
Yes.
And I did.
You want to talk about like what we actually did once we were like on that stage?
First of all, out of all the high touches that we did, it was way more personal. In terms of like the interaction with member. With ITZY, each member had their own like personal interaction with each person that they met. So for example, with Yeji, when you said hi to her, she actually put her hand to the glass and she would like wave and say, hi, I love you, blah, blah, blah. Go to the next member, Leah, also did the same thing. She interacted with you, whatever you did. She did the heart with me.
Yes.
And then when it came to Ryujin, can you tell?
Can you tell that she's a Ryujin stan?
My bias is Chaeryeong.
No.
But with Ryujin, she actually complimented me on my fit.
That's goals right there.
Yeah. And like all day, everybody's been complimenting me on this outfit. But having it come from her and doing the finger hearts with her and like her looking me up and down and be like finger hearts or whatever. Yeah. Finger guns or
finger
whatever.
Finger guns, Lily.
Lily. Yeah, it just meant more. It was very special to me. And then Chaeryeong also finger heart or like did the heart.
And Yuna?
With Yuna, I'm so sorry. First of all, Yuna, I'm very sorry. First of all, the staff kind of rushed us.
Yeah.
And I didn't really get much of an interaction with her, but I Freudian slipped. I said, hi, Tuna. I'm like, Yuna. But yeah, it was really cool.
Nice.
How was yours?
Mine, and we'll save your voice because like our voices are slowly starting to fade. But for my experience, Yeji is my bias, right? Like as you guys can clearly tell with a little hat on my chest. Yeji's my bias. The biggest reason being she saved my life. Like I went up to the high touch stage and I looked her in the eyes and I just said, Yeji, thank you for saving my life. I love you. And then she had like this biggest like face of endearment and like she said, I love you too, and like mouthed it and all and everything.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Because like I'm subscribed to Yeji's Bubble, and a lot of the things that she said on Bubble are like, you know, like words of affirmation, encouragement.
Wasn't it yesterday she said that really long text?
Yes, she sent like a gigantic bubble text saying like how thankful she is for Midseas and everything, and I almost cried, you almost cried, and everything that happened leading up until today, I was going through like a dark time like a couple of like months ago because of Yeji sending all of those affirmations. It really did just give me the motivation, just like keep going and just like, you know, keep being myself and just keep chasing after your dreams and saying that it's okay to be yourself when the world tells you not. This is all going to sound super cheesy, but even through the darkness, like her messages will be like the light. No matter what anyone says, Yeji is the sole person that saved my life, and I just really wanted to thank her personally for that. Some people may say that like, oh, why would you drop such a bombshell in like 5 seconds of interaction? That's pretty much my only chance to like tell her that.
Yeah.
So I'm honestly glad that I did, because the look of happiness that she had on her face when I told her that she saved my life was like so super endearing.
Yeah.
It was kind of like how Hwang looked like when I came out with the joke bear on my chest and like the little headband with her name on it, and it just felt that much more special. And now going into the like fanboy side, when I got to Leah, Leah's my second bias.
Leah's still blonde, by
She's
the
still
way.
blonde.
Oh my gosh. This is the longest her hair's been a light color. She looks very small in person too. She was very petite, very small, and very cute.
Yeah. And then I got to Ryujin, and then I blew a kiss to her, and she blew a kiss to me back. Like,
she accepts your kind.
she accepts my kind. She doesn't hate all men, guys.
You're part of the girls, so ITZY's for the girls. You're part of the girls.
I'm part of the girls. And for Chaeryeong, I wanted to do like the little Oshinoko like cat ears that Ai Hoshino did.
Yeah.
But then that's when the staff like started to like rush us, and it was at that point where I couldn't even like talk to Yuna at all. I just did like a simple like heart, and like that's it.
Yeah.
I wanted to tell her more, but I couldn't.
Yeah.
So
yeah, that's the disadvantage of being like the last person. So just to piggyback off of you in terms of like being delulu and being cheesy about like how Yeji saved your life. And as a whole, ITZY came during a time where like, for me, I wasn't really happy. I was very anxious, very panic driven, but this was around the time that like ITZY released ITZY in LA, and I started watching that, and everything about that variety show made me super happy.
Yeah.
And it gave me something to look forward to. It's just really cool to see them be real people.
yeah,
In a way.
like genuine.
ITZY feels like you're watching 5 of your best friends go on a trip together.
Yes.
It made me happy. It makes me happy. And so ITZY makes me happy.
Yes, yeah. ITZY are our comfort people. And I hope you guys were able to hear that entire meaningful segment.
Yeah, ATEEZ is on stage right now.
Yeah, ATEEZ is over there.
And the 18s be loud, bro.
Yeah, I mean, we're 18s, but we're not like, we couldn't make it there yet. All right, so we went back to the official merch booth. We also got another set of XG KCON photo cards. So we're gonna do another Heart of the Cards segment, or the Queen of Hearts segment. I'm not sure what I want to call this. Editor Nathan, put like a split screen where you will play Queen of Hearts by Twice on the left ear and Queen Card by G-Idol on the right ear. Do you want to go first or me go first?
I'll go first.
Okay. Our deck has no pathetic cards, Kaiba, because our deck has... You got Coco!
I did.
You got Coco na! You got our favorite 13-year-old! Woo!
She woke up early.
My deck has no pathetic cards, Kaiba, because my grandfather's deck contains the legendary Harvey. I mean, I'm not mad, but I already have Harvey. So, right now, we're in the KCON stage, waiting for ITZY's JoJo live event, but we're literally shoulder to shoulder with the next person right now. It's kind of like a packed sardine can in here.
Are we ready for ITZY?
Okay, let's introduce ourselves. 2, 3, all in dance time. We are ITZY.
Can't believe we're standing right there next to him. That's ITZY, right?
Yeah!
Thank you, ladies.
Hi. I'm Yeji. Nice to meet you. Hey guys. Yeah. So great to see you all. My name is Yeji. Great to see you all again. Hi, I'm Chynna. Happy to see you guys. Nice to see you all.
Of course, performing later on tonight, can you tell us anything about your performance later on tonight? Can you leak, can you tease, can you talk about anything tonight?
Actually, we have very special stage for today. I wish that everyone's dreams come true by our stage.
Simple game, you guys have seen it. I'm gonna ask each member a question. They'll write their answers down on that fancy schmancy little piece of paper. The other members will write what they think the answer is going to be, and we'll compare and we'll see who wins. Yeji!
Oh, it's Yeji. It's okay.
What is your favorite song to perform on stage?
Oh, it's difficult.
We'll reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Wanna be.
She always shy.
I love Wanna Be.
So you were lying the last time?
No lie, I love all in the song.
예지 언니 며칠 전에 나샤이 좋다 그랬었어.
그니까.
그래서 내가 나샤이 써.
But she always told me.
Yeji told Yuna that her favorite song was Not Shy a couple days ago.
Truly, she said.
But
My
favorite
song is
Wanna
Wanna Be. Like this.
But favorite song is Wanna Be.
These days, my favorite song is Not Shy.
But
all time I like and I love this song is Wanna Be.
She has a complaint. Oh, man. It's gonna get crazy up here. Leah,
Oh, Leah's.
Yes?
your go-to karaoke song.
Oh, I think she won't know hers too.
It's getting serious up here. 3, 2, 1. Oh,
I think we know her better than herself.
that's true. So
Yeah.
she's wrong and you're right, is what you're
That's
saying.
what I mean.
That's okay. I get it.
But everyone got 21 right.
Yes.
Yeah. everyone got
All right. Fair enough.
나의 젊은 날의 사랑은 이렇게 끝이 났네요. 그대 꼭 행복해야 해요.
Liu Jin,
Yes.
if you weren't an idol, what would your dream job be? In 3, 2, 1.
Rich.
Question. Wow, what's going on?
So rich without a job.
That's what everyone wants, right?
Ja Leong, let's go. If you could travel anywhere right now, where would it be?
I know where it is. Your heart?
I think we're good. In 3, 2, 1. Oh.
She got no energy for it.
My sweet home.
Final question. Let's go for, how about Yuna? Yuna. What is your go-to fashion item? Oh, wait. She says, wait for a second. Oh, she didn't say it like that. She said, wait for a second. You're funny. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Liar. She liar.
You have to be true to yourself. You sure?
All right. The winner is Liu Jin. Oh. That's who you get. Congratulations. That's your prize right there. By the way, sorry you came to LA. Sorry we had a tropical storm when you showed up. Sorry about that.
Thank you so much. I was really surprised when I came on stage because there were so many of you guys. This is really amazing and I had so much fun today. I'm pretty sure all of our members also had so much fun. And please look forward to our stage later on.
All right, love for ITZY, you guys.
Showcase Day 3. Today we have 7 extraordinary girls.
Ready? Hi, we're XG! Nice to meet you!
And I also heard that XG, it's your first time at KCON LA. Welcome! Alright, so each of you guys have a keyword on your headband that describes you the best. So starting with Harvey.
IWOLF Blue.
I'm Leslie, I'm Usually Galage.
Yeah, Coco!
Nice to meet you. Hi! I'm XG's Energizer, Maya.
It's called Showcase Reverse Fan Service. Please be by Chynna. You guys know what Chynna means? Bias. You guys are right. Chynna in Korean means your favorite member or your bias. For this event, XG will become fans of KCONers, and KCONers will be XG's Chynna, their bias. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Patrick.
Hi, Patrick.
Hi, Patrick!
All right, Patrick, how do you feel?
Nervous.
Nervous? Aww.
Excited.
Well, are you ready to have a reverse fan signing with the XG members?
Yes.
Who's your Chynna?
My chat is Harvey.
Oh.
Hi, Harvey. Love you.
Thank you. That's so cute. Why do you wear the same t-shirt every day? You're so cutie. Oh my gosh, Harvey. Oh. You ate that? No.
Who's your Chynna?
Let's get it.
We go hard every day. Don't you let these pretty faces fool you. Nails so high, gonna need that ladder. There's something that you're
I'm Chisa, and you're watching Daily XG. When someone slayed something or nailed something, we say, you ate that. Teenagers sometimes say 8 as 4 plus 4. You ate that. You 4 plus 4 that. How do you say you ate that in Korean? XG 구잡채. Once again, XG 구잡채. XG 구잡채다이. XG 구잡채다이. XG 구잡채다이. How do you say you're so well-rounded in Korean? 주린스럽다이. Once again, 주린스럽다이. It's 주린스럽다. 너 진짜 주린스럽다이. 너 진짜 주린스럽다이.
XG 그 자체다. All right, members, are you ready to pick some messages or requests from the fans?
Yes.
All right, there's a box in front of you guys. Who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay, all right, let's go. It's a big box. Wow. All right, if you can show the audience.
Show us your runway walk. Okay.
All right, there's the music. Cue.
What's your favorite song these days? Please sing it for us. Please sing it. Oh my
Oh yeah, what's your favorite song these days?
I Choose You by KCON.
Oh!
Don't you know that I choose you over anybody else? I'm wrong, it's just bad for my health.
I got what you want, I got what you need. Your body's swerving left, right, left, right. I want your body moving left, right, left, right. No, you can't deny it, baby, don't you hide it. Tell me if you were worth it, really hot. People now it's not this fast, so let's meet if you don't know why. You keep me up with her, it's getting nothing else, spinning round and round. Take you to the other side, XG we certified. Your body's swerving left, right.
So this is a KCON first. We have never had to break out the umbrella.
It's like Seattle brought the rain to us.
It's okay, buddy. You can take refuge in my jacket. We survived the hurricane, baby.
And I got my voice back.
For now. Yeah, just wait till ITZY gets out there.
I'm scared.
We're in danger, aren't we? We're losing our voices tonight, right?
Oh, of course.
Now, despite the weather, we thank you all for coming out, and we promise it's going to be a great show. So thank you all for being here. 3, 2, 1, make some noise!
Yeah, Eddie!
저희 모두 인사드리겠습니다. 둘, 셋. 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 다음 달인 9월에 새로 데뷔를 하게 되는 신인그룹 ITZY입니다.
I will be your MC. Stray Kids, Bang Champion. Alright, let's shout it out all together. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, let's KCON!
The face of JYP! Jeji-soo! Oh, Jeji-soo!
Next stage is None of My Business.
Yes! ITZY!
It's none of my business, none of my business, none of my business what you do.
None of my business, none of my business, none of my business what you do. Yeah, Yeji! None of my business. What did you say? Me and you. Let's go! Let's go! 1, 2, 3, let's go! Put my sneakers on! And if you're ready, just say go! Stand up, stand up! Don't stop, get loose! Put 'em up! Yeah, yeah! Put 'em up, yeah, yeah! Yeah, you know! Eternal! You better put your sneakers on! Put my sneakers on! Yeah, yeah!
Thank you all of you for coming out tonight despite, the bad weather and conditions outside. Thank you guys so much for coming tonight. I appreciate it. And peace! Come on, let's go! Bring it on, bring it on! Oh! Let me hear the answer.
Changbin!
Wait, I think I know the answer!
Changbin! For your heart!
Oh, this is easy. Always remember, the boys love you.
Let's go! Let's go!
It's time to meet the K-pop global Gen Zs. So, a boy group that's writing new K-pop history. JO1 is waiting
Oh, let's go! JO1 right here! Say! Nothing gonna sing like this! I just got the soda boom! Oh, nigga, she's on the man! dream, follow my crew. You're getting us out. 하고 불러와 and our energy. 들어와, 같이 듣는 말. Let's go!
Hi guys, we are G-Idol!
Let's go, Dinh! Let's go, Susan! Yeah, me on! My time is in my bag. If you want to sit fast, do it like that.
Dreamers, are you ready?
Let's go! Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, Jay! La la la! Let's go, Chynna! One, two, go! Burn up, 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 and burn up, go! That's me! Drink it! Let's go! Big that punch up! Bring the golden gold, bring that star! Let's go, let's start. Yo!
TV right away.
Two members and two people are doing the same place at the same time, right?
Yes! Yes!
Alright, we're gonna do one more, but let's do something together. Okay.
Hot!
What? District 9! Better watch out! Real money comes. Everywhere, all around the world. Strike gangs everywhere, all around the world. Sector 24 now! Let's go! Start thinking for now! District 9! District 9! Cooking up the stars, piece of cake! We wanna feel alive, say the name. Great good! Hell of a lie, yeah, I know it's hell of fun. Hell's just a taste in the vine. I was shit so much. Thinking, yeah, we're cooking up the Super Bowl. Say what? I was shit so much. Super Bowl! I'm a five-star Michelin. Be a John John. You can know that for your illusion. Hey! Don't say that word. He said the U word.
Please join us online with big support. Thank you, everyone. We're on LA 2023 says goodbye here. But if you guys are down to be with us, just know that the doors for coffee are always open. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, let's